What's up, Familia? It's your boy here once again, the Hood Foodie. You know us, can't stop, won't stop, Familia for life. Today, we're in the hood of Montebello, visiting Something Good LA. And look who we ran into, Familia.
What's up, guys? It's the Hangry Rider. I'm here at one of my favorite trucks, Something Good LA. If you know me, you know I'm in love with their sliders. They're excellent. Today, I tried the tamales with the Tijuana Freddy salsa. Everything's on point. You definitely want to check them out. Great service, great food, you can't go wrong.
Alright, Chef, what are you going to be preparing for us today?
Today we're going to be serving you our fried chicken sandwich. It comes on a bun with our famous slaw, our vinegar slaw, barbecue sauce, and tater tots, of course. Our next dish is our special, which is our smoked pork tamales. And we're doing that with salsa verde from Freddy Tijuana salsa, and then you can pair that with our Thai coconut, which is very refreshing. And hope to see you soon.
Chicken sandwich.
Alright, Familia, you gotta let the people know, how is it?
I'm in the middle of polishing off this pork tamale from Something Good truck, slathered in Tijuana Freddy salsa. Damn, it is good. Oh yeah.
What's the inspiration behind Something Good LA?
Our truck was inspired by my childhood favorites. So I was classically trained in a French restaurant, in many restaurants in LA, and I decided I wanted to do something a little more casual. So I just take a lot of my family favorites like flautas. I love waffles. I love breakfast. That's why we're a brunch truck. And then I do little specials here and there like tamales, because that's like a family thing we do on weekends. And the sliders are my In-N-Out inspiration. So we do, it's like our version of that. And yeah. Thank you, Hood Foodie, for always coming down and supporting us. And we look forward to seeing you again.
You heard it, Familia. So make sure you guys come out, support, and tell them the Hood Foodie sent you.